Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is motion and time part 2. Time is defined as duration in which all things happen or a precise instant that something happened. An example of time is the Renaissance era. The example time of is breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning. Motion in physics change with a time of position or orientation of a body. In both cases, all points in the body have the same velocity, direct speed, and the same acceleration, time rate change of velocity. The most general kind of motion combines both translation and rotation. Measuring speed. Having learned how to measure time and distance, you can calculate the speed of an object. You might have seen on the top of a scooter, and similarly meter can be seen on the dashboard of a car, buses and other vehicles. Shows that the dashboard of the car. Note that one of the meters has kilometer per hour written at the one corner. This is called speedometer. There is also another meter that measures the distance moved by vehicle. This meter is known as odometer. While going for the school picnic, Paheli decide to note the reading on the odometer of the bus after every 30 minutes till the end of the journey. Often we need a major interval of the time which are much shorter than a day. Clock or watches are perhaps the most common time measuring device. Have you ever wondered how the clocks and watches measure time? The working of the clocks is rather complex, but all of them make use of some periodic motion. One of the most well-known periodic motion is that no simple pendulum. So kids, let's talk about facts about motion and time. Number 1. The time passes faster for your face than for the feet, assuming you are standing up. Einstein's theory of relativity dictates that the closer you are to the center of the earth, thus slower time goes, and this time has been measured. At the top of Mount Everest, a year would be about 15 microseconds shorter than at the sea level. Number 2. A second isn't what do you think it is. Scientifically, it is not defined as 1/60th of minute, but the duration of approximately 9 billion periods of radiation corresponding to the transition between the two hyperfine level of the ground of the cesium 133 atom. Number 3. What do you think of as a day? How long it takes the earth to rotate? Isn't 24 hours? It's 23 hours 56 minutes and 4.2 seconds. The reason it's 24 hours from the sunrise to sunrise is because every day the earth moves farther in its orbit around the sun, and the changes its position lengthen the day slightly. Number 4. The smallest standard scientific measure of time is the Planck time. It takes you about 550,000 trillion Planck time to blink once quickly. Number 5. On Mercury, day is 2 years long. So kids, tell me, how much time one revolution of Earth take? Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the time and motion part 2. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.